How is zeolite in the form of the ZeoCharge? That because we talked about in previous videos how they're different. So not all zeolites are equal. So if you're not sure, go back to that. And there's a video on that alone. But how will it help someone who's got severe or even just moderate brain fog?
Sure. Well, there's a number of different ways. Really, brain fog is a symptom that's caused by various things. So the great thing about zeolite is that it has such a broad spectrum detox capacity. It binds to a lot of the toxic elements that are resulting in the brain fog. So, for example, one thing that can cause brain fog and does cause brain fog in a number of people is an excess ammonia, an ammonia buildup in the body. So ammonia is a metabolic waste product that your body naturally produces. But sometimes, especially if your liver is not working properly, there's a buildup of ammonia and it enters the bloodstream and then it actually goes to your brain where it's neurotoxic. So in individuals that have any sort of liver dysfunction, also kidney dysfunction, because it's all the urea cycle. Your body takes ammonia, brings it to your liver, converts it to urea, goes to your kidneys, and then it's out. So if your kidneys or your liver aren't working, you get a buildup of either ammonia or urea. And zeolite has a strong bind to both ammonia and urea. So that's just an example of one. Ammonia is also a byproduct of microbial waste. So if you have excess yeast or Lyme or other microbes, they release ammonia as one of their waste products as well. And that just adds to your total ammonia load. And that's just building up and could potentially be going to your brain. If you have those things, your detox pathways generally aren't working as well as they should. So you most likely have a buildup. So there's other things as well. I mean, just the metals that can accumulate in your brain. Such as mercury, especially if you have the amalgam fillings in your mouth, since they're in such close proximity to your brain, they tend to vaporize and end up in your brain. And the zeolite definitely helps remove the mercury from organs and throughout the entire body, as we can see through some of the case studies that we've conducted. That is just able to offer a whole body systemic detox. So there's just a lot of things. Mycotoxins, of course, we know that those cause a ton of inflammation, resulting in brain fog. And the zeolite has a nice ability to bind to those mycotoxins that are floating around in your body, just so your immune system doesn't attack them. And that's really the key, is getting the zeolite in the body so it can bind to things before your immune system has a chance to attack it. Because when the immune system attacks, that equals inflammation. Inflammation equals brain fog and other symptoms.